Welcome everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. Right, so the 1 hour time frame is looking something like this, and I've seen the 1 hour time frame quite represents almost like Wyckoff distribution right here. So a mini pattern going on the 1 hour time frame like this is known as Wyckoff distribution, which is negative to take Bitcoin down, by the way. That's the effect of Wyckoff distribution. But however, many people believe that Wyckoff is meant for the prices to actually go down only on a higher time frame. Like it take months and months for the Wyckoff distribution, like the one happened at the last time previously. I'm just going to show you that very quickly, which happened maybe in 2021, I guess. There was a very big Wyckoff distribution. So it was something like this right over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then boom, all the way to the downside. So all of this was Wyckoff distribution that I do see happening in a smaller time frame, but anyways, patterns very similar. So whatever that was looks almost like this, and you're looking for that effect to come down. So I do still see Bitcoin, coming down like this, breaking out of that neckline and try to move to the downside as well. I want to reflect on some news about crypto as well. Let's see what's going on with the news. What is Bitcoin role in the global banking crisis? Now, that's a very good question, and I'm going to answer that. I don't even need to open up the article. The role of Bitcoin in for the banking is that, Bitcoin is going to kick their ass, simple put. Okay, Bitcoin maximalist Matthew asserts $1 million value for Bitcoin. Almost 1 billion ARB tokens claimed. I do want to see if there's any news about Bitcoin, by the way, which I'm not looking at anything, but there are some interesting news I've seen. XRP is actually on the trigger. 2023 is neither a bullish nor a bearish year, says Jab. Okay, now this is very good. 2023 is neither a bullish nor a bearish year. Perfectly said. I mean, sometimes I was wondering how am I going to put 2023 into play, and I thought that this is exactly what I would put it like. 2023 is a year of opportunities. That's what it is. My personal opinion, no financial advices. I'm taking the opportunity. Okay, Bitcoin price analysis for March 25. Bitcoin liquidation vanishes. Trader hopes $30,000 will hit before dip. All right, so that's average Joe. A lot of traders were hoping for $30,000. Now, when we talk about $30,000, it brings me to a very interesting topic here, and it's a topic of psychology. And a lot of people don't learn psychology in trading until they don't start to lose their money. So if we do go back to the charts here for Bitcoin, I think that Bitcoin made the rally up to nearly $29,000. So when you see $29,000, okay, we based on our day-to-day life, we like to round up. This is known as the floor number. So what you think when you see the number 28 or you see the number 29 is that your brain tells you 30. Automatically you say 30. And the people who are newbies, they don't know anything about trading psychology, they actually round off the number to 28, 29, and all the way to 30. And it makes a very big difference. On a note, or a thought, it seems like it's a very simple thought. Okay, it went to 29, 38, 30 is coming, 30 is coming. That's how you feel. But this is crypto. Numbers are sensitive. Every single number is different from the other one. You don't round off number to the other place. So this is a mind trick. It's a mind trick. Even the greens that you see now, the greens that you see can be very dangerous. Okay, the green make you feel safe, but the reality is that the reds are more safe than the greens for buying actually, and the greens are safe than the reds for selling. People take their profits when the market pumps. They don't buy when the market pumps. It's a very simple, strategy right there. So if you don't believe about the number psychology, let's talk about 29K, okay? Sorry, not even 29K, but 19,000. So 19,000, what does that ring a bell to you? Because $19,000 was a price back in 2017 bull market that Bitcoin went to. So when Bitcoin topped out at $19,000, how many people are looking to cash out at $20,000? Almost 80% of the people were looking to cash out at $20,000, and other people were looking to buy near $20,000. Or they were thinking, okay, we're going to buy at $19,000 and sell at $20,000 because it's pretty obvious Bitcoin is going to make it to $20,000. But I've seen so many number psychology trick which has played out so many times. Even with altcoins, an altcoin can go to 0.8. People are going to say it's going to $1. Okay, one of the biggest example for this one might even be Dogecoin, because Dogecoin made it all the way to 0.75. Everyone was looking for that $1 supremacy, right? Yep, that's just how crypto really is. It's all about trading psychology. Get your psychology right. That's the first step to be successful as a trader. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this Bitcoin update. And let's see if we can break below this level and go to 25,000, which is actually pretty much there. I do think you're looking for 25K, even potentially 23,000. Just a small correction. We've been pumping. Bitcoin went from 18 to nearly 29. I think it's time to take a little bit of a break here. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.